What's up, my friends? Big George here. Today we're going to show you the Hendrix. That's a 4-bed, 3 full bath, 2175 square foot home, 9-foot ceilings, luxury vinyl planking throughout. I'm just excited about it because it's one of my favorite floor plans. I could definitely see myself living in one. So what we're going to do is turn the camera around and check this floor plan out. And remember, if you guys want to tour the Orlando area with Big George, just call me at 727-542-7773 and I'll give you the VIP treatment and we'll go check these out. So let's turn the camera around and do just that. Check it out. So there we have it, my friends, the Hendrix. This is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, 2-car garage with 2175 square foot. So with this new product line, you'll hear me say this over and over because there's a lot of different things about these homes that we're building now. They have, backsplashes and 42-inch cabinets and luxury vinyl planking and 9-foot ceilings. Now this will be in certain communities, as this is our tier 2. So it's like a move-up community where someone who's already bought a home and they're looking for something that a little bit special, a little bit extra to it, that's what these homes are. So give Big George a call at 727-542-7773, and I will give you the VIP tour, take you around and show you all our wonderful homes and communities and see which one fits for you. I look forward to seeing you all on the next video. Have a great day.